Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your study abroad experience with study abroad expert easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, identify the specific issues you're facing during your study abroad journey. Make a list of your challenges, such as academic difficulties, cultural adjustments, or social interactions. Next, research study abroad experts or advisors in your area or online. Look for professionals with credentials and positive reviews from previous students. Once you have a shortlist, reach out to them for an initial consultation. Prepare a brief overview of your study abroad experience to share with the expert. During the consultation, be open and honest about your challenges and concerns. Take notes on their advice and suggestions for improvement. Ask them about specific services they offer, such as mentoring or workshops. Discuss the cost of their services and what you can expect in return. If you feel comfortable, schedule follow-up sessions to monitor your progress. Implement the strategies they recommend in your daily routine. Keep track of your improvements and setbacks in a journal. Regularly communicate with your expert to adjust your plan as needed. Stay proactive in seeking out resources, such as support groups or online forums. Engage with fellow international students to share experiences and build connections. Finally, reflect on your progress and remaining challenges to ensure a fulfilling study abroad experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.